Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. On this video I'm gonna show you on how to clip a network cable. This is a step-by-step video that will assist you through the process of clipping a network cable. First, I will start by taking you through the tools that you need for this process. Please don't forget to subscribe to Acutech Computer Solutions channel to continue receiving our continued guides on how to sort computer problems. Now let's start by introducing you to the tools needed for the process. You will need a pliers, a clipping tool, a cable cutter, a cable stripping tool, an RJ45 connector, and a Cat6 or Cat5 Ethernet cable. Now let's start. This is the Cat6 cable. You strip the cable using the cable stripping tool. This is the one that is in yellow color. Strip the cables so that you can be able to separate them, then separate them one by one. As you can see in the video, this is how the process is done. There is a plastic separator that you will remove by cutting it using the cable cutter tool, and tie the cables, which are always tied together depending on the color codes. These color codes are, we have a brown, white, then we have green, white, blue, white, and orange, white. So we are going to untie them. As you can see, we have a set of 8 cables. That is a set of 8 cables, which comprises of all the cables that are required on a network cable. So we are going to straighten the cables so that it will be easier for us to separate them and arrange them properly, so that it will be as easy for us to be able to put them into the RJ45 connector. So you straighten all of them, then you start now arranging the cables. In my case, I normally start from the right hand side. As you can see, I'm now trying to properly arrange the cable. So we will start on the right hand side, and then from the right hand side we'll start with brown, white, then green, then blue, white, then blue, then green, white, then orange, white. This is the procedure that I'm taking you through, so you can see what I'm doing. I'm arranging these cables in a straight line so that they can be able to be inserted and clipped in the RJ45 connector. So as you can see, the cables have been arranged properly. From the right hand side, you can see there is brown, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, orange, white. So all of them are arranged. That is brown, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, then orange, white. Now we are going to cut the cables so that they are all in equal. We're going to cut the cables so that they are all in equal alignment. That is the clipping tool. You can see from the clipping tool, that is the outward side. That is where the RJ45 connector is being pressed so that it can be able to strip the cables. So we are going to cut the cables on a straight line. This is how it will appear. make sure they are all in a straight line so that when you are inserting them into the RJ45 connector, they are well aligned. So we'll pick the RJ45 connector and we'll insert it. I'm cutting so that they can be a bit smaller, so that the cable insulation doesn't protrude outside the RJ45 connector. So I will insert the cables. If you look at the clip, the RJ45 clip, I've done it while it's facing up. Those are the metal plates that normally clip the cable when you insert all the cables. If you look at that RJ45, you can see the side it's facing, it's upside down. So I normally insert it on an upside down direction when I'm clipping. So I'll insert it in the clipping tool, then I'll press the clipping tool so that they are able now to be clipped and stripped. And now the RJ45 connector is complete to be used in any network. So for beginners, normally you will have sometimes you will have a challenge on inserting the cables into the RJ45 clip, but normally with time you will get exposed and you will be able, it will be as easy as just like I did on it. So it's a procedure that is easy, and anyone can be able to do it. As long as you have all the tools available, you will be able to perform the procedure without any issue. So that is how you perform a network cable clipping. So continue watching the video throughout the process. I'm still clipping on this other side of the cable so that you can be able to learn where you missed on the previous steps and stages. Just the same way I did it from the beginning is the same way I'm doing it now. So continue watching, you will be able to get more of what is happening, and you will be a guru in clipping a network cable. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to continue receiving updates on how to solve computer problems and how to do computer configurations and hardware troubleshooting. Thank you so much for watching our video, and welcome back to our channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.